right, guys, I'm here with Tyler, and we have a special episode. This what day is it?
Today's Thursday.
Today's Thursday, all day. What are we gonna do, Ty? We are about to pimp a fish tank. We're about to update it. How are we gonna do that, Ty?
We're gonna put a whole new facade around the base.
A facade, and for those of you at home, a facade is a shroud that goes on the outside, right?
It's gonna make it look beautiful.
Beautiful. All right, so now that we're gonna do that, we're gonna install a canopy so it's really tall. The reason we're going super tall is not only for the lighting, it's also so we can take out the fake coral that's there, the decoration that's there. It's like these three mountains that are really hard to take out. And from time to time, they get a little fuzzy with algae, so they need to be power washed. We do that outside, so we needed a really tall canopy so that we can pull these out from the top of the tank and then yank them out and pull them outside without damaging. What that means is we're taking an old school method of black acrylic, which is, it's tired, it's a little haggard after time, it gets a little scratched. So what we're gonna do is we're updating it with these hinges that are recessed. Tyler has routed each one of these things out, and we're gonna be making some adjustments to make sure that they all fit. Tyler has already assembled this once before and then disassembled it so that we could stain it. Now it's gonna be reassembled once again. So Tyler puts things together, then takes things apart, and then puts things together again. So we're gonna do that together, although I am mainly assisting, even though right now I am recording. Anyway, the best is definitely yet to come. Tank it easy. Tyler, any final words? Wow, thanks, man. It's deep thoughts by Tyler. Anyway, take it easy. Bye. What are you doing, Ian?
I'm mounting these controllers for the heaters. We got the skimmer controller. We got some wave maker controllers, all the lights, all the doodads.
Nice. You have a personal fish tank. What size is that?
My personal is a standard 120 gallon glass dual overflow reef ready. It's a mixed reef. Got a Bash C sump underneath, just a standard marine land wood black stand holding it all together.
How does that compare to this tank? What makes this one different?
This is definitely a custom tank right here. Custom dimensions. It's not a rectangle, not a cube. I guess a trapezoid is what it would be. And this one is acrylic, custom stand, custom canopy, all the way. Custom job.
Here at Tank It Easy, we're hiring. Email us, clownfishrule@tankiteasy.com. Tank It Easy is the perfect place to learn, become a pro by joining the team. We offer competitive pay, benefits, and the knowledge to tank it easy on your own tanks. Give us a call, 312-600-TANK. Here in Chicago, there's a lot of things to see. Sometimes you want to bring a little bit of nature from the farm to your urban zones. This is how they do it. It's fantastic. Here, Take It Easy. We like to feed everybody, including goats. Okay, so we're back at the wood shop, the Tank It Easy wood shop, and we are going to take a little bit off of some of these legs because the wall isn't plumb. So it's a little bit off it, so we just need to do a couple adjustments, and that's what we're doing. We're just taking off a little bit of the legs so that where it meets the wall, it's awesome. Anyway, why do we do it twice, Tyler?
Because we do it twice as nice as the next guy.
Because we do it twice as nice as the next guy. Yeah, well, we're the only fish guys that do carpentry, but let's do it. Tank It Easy TV is on YouTube, and you should like and subscribe to that to see more coverage just like this. Please look at insanecoral.com. You can see all the great corals we brought here from our farm at 4642 West Lawrence in Chicago. So Tank It Easy is a service company. We build tanks, customized tanks all around Chicagoland and beyond. So if you're interested, let us know. Clownfish rule at tankiteasy.com, and we'll make sure to get whatever questions answered for you. The best is definitely yet to come. Tank It Easy.